Okay, this video is for your fireplace QR-23. If you're having sounds like this, like scratching sounds, I advise you to take out the back panel, remove all the screws around, then you go into remove the back panel. Okay. The problem is this thing either was loose over here or is bent like this. So you can see it's not straight. That's why scratching the back. Okay. What I suggest you to do is just like bend it a little bit, make it straight. Okay, now it's straight and should be fine after that. Right? Thank you. If you need anything else, please let us know. Thank you.